Hi, this is from Source University. This is a job opening for the Technology SQL Database Administrator. The company name is Teamware Solution, a division of Quantum Leaps Consulting Private Limited. The location is Hyderabad, Telangana. The need is excellent opportunity in MNC-based company for SQL DBA Administrator. Experience is 3+ years. The location will be Hyderabad and Bangalore. The shift will be North American shift. The notice period must be immediate joining. The required skills are SQL DBA, log shipping, replication, always on, and high availability. The second technology is database engineering senior manager. The company name is State Street. The location will be Bangalore, Karnataka. The summary descriptions are should have strong database design and modeling skills and very strong knowledge in Oracle architecture and database internet, PL and SQL development, performance tuning and database design, and DBA knowledge is a plus. Candidates should have exposure of database modeling tool like F1. Experience and qualifications are bachelor's degree with around 10+ years of expertise without any gap, database design, modeling, logical and physical, and performance tuning. Very strong is performance tuning and database, writing advanced SQL queries. The third technology is database developer. The company name is Ohmium. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. The roles and responsibilities are, as a database developer, you will design, create, and implement database system based on the project requirements. You will ensure stability, reliability, and performance of database system. Previous experience in the renewable energy of sector a plus. The fourth technology is MySQL DBA. The company name is Careersoft Solution Private Limited. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka, India. Skill set is MySQL DBA. Experience 4 to 9 years. The location will be Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, NCR, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Indore. Description of the job is 4+ years of experience in MySQL DBA administration, strong knowledge of MySQL DB, performance optimization, monitoring, replication, user management, and backup restoration mechanisms. The fifth technology is SQL administrator or developer. The company AJS Cloud LLC. The company will be located in Chandigarh, India. The job description is 5 years of experience is needed. Expert with database administrator, backup recovery methodologies, and procedures with Windows SQL Server platforms. The links will be given in the video description, so you can apply that directly. Please subscribe to our Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.